everyone, it's Miyako. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna make Imomochi. Let's get started. This sweet was first made 150 years ago. At that time, rice was not grown because of the cold, so a lot of potatoes were made. Potatoes from Hokkaido count for 80% of the production in Japan. Potatoes are resistant to cold damage and easy to grow, so they are stable for the climate of Hokkaido. Please look at these ingredient directions. First of all, let's boil water in a pot. Prepare the ingredients. Wash potatoes. Peel off the skin. Cut into 4. Put in a pot and boil for about 20 minutes. Put it in the strainer and bowl. Crush potatoes. Add the tofu and mix. Add 4 tablespoons of potato starch and mix until the powder is gone. Add a pinch of salt and mix. Put them together and then divide them into 9 parts towards the shape. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry pan the dough. Three to 4 minutes on heat, and then turn the dough. When it is browned, take it out on a plate. In a fry pan, melt 2 tablespoons of sugar into 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is the Imochi sauce. I put sauce and then I'm ready to eat. It can be frozen. Please warm it in the microwave for a few minutes before eating. Thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe and hit the good button. Where's our next trip? Bye bye!